It was already curled yesterday, but it dropped. Feathers at the bottom. I really prefer the plunging. So this is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I hope you're good. Today is a special edition. Get ready with me. I'm hyped now at the end of the video because I like, I'm done dressing up. But anyways, today is my birthday and I thought I would use this opportunity to do a get ready with me. It was, hair was already did. Even if I suck at hair, however it's looking now, I don't know. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a Gotti. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick get ready with me. Today is my birthday. Yay, happy birthday to me. And I thought I will use this opportunity of me getting ready to film a get ready with me. I know it's been a while, as always, since I've shown my face on here, but working and creating content is not for the weak, especially when you really want to give it your all, but you can't give your all to good things. I'm just going to first of all start by laying this hair. I just got out of an extremely long shower. You know that shower where you wash away your sins? Yeah, that kind of shower. And now we're just going to do a quick beat, quick makeup, nothing too fancy, natural everyday makeup that I always do. Lately I've just been growing. I feel like many times I don't even know what I want to say. But however, I've just been growing into myself, knowing who I am more, becoming, I guess, a woman, like learning about myself, becoming independent, hustling, stuff like that. And I thank God for it all. It's been hell of a ride. And I'm so grateful, where I was last year, I'm not this year. So that's good. That's awesome. I can categorically say the last year your girl wasn't where she is right now, and that's a good thing. That's a very good thing, because if I tell you these stories, thank God we don't look like what we've been through. Well, we're not even where we want to be per se, but we are getting there slowly but surely. I just want to thank everybody who has been a huge impact to my life in one way or the other. Your little way, your big way. Thank you so much for being with me along this journey, because I feel like I've grown so much. I mean, it's a testament, a testimony at this point, because a lot has changed in the space of 1 year. Not just like mentally a lot has changed. The growth is amazing. You could ask my friend. He can give testament to this. I used to be a dark cloud. If you could picture a dark cloud, that's what I was. And this is for reasons best known to me, because you tell yourself life sucks, blah de blah, and rightfully so. When you're going through stuff, you actually have the right to feel down, but there's always a greener side. So shout out to you for being with me through one of the darkest times. Let me do my brows, I'll be right back. Alright, brows done. The light keeps fluctuating because I'm using natural light, so the sun goes up, it goes down. I can't control it. Next, I'm using this primer. Oh, I didn't show you my birthday nails. Oh, I'm already staining with makeup. I tried something new, like French tips. It's stiletto shape. I'm not a fan. I prefer the more square shape, but it will do. Primer by Miss Fenty. Miss Fenty herself. And I didn't bring my color corrector. I mean, when you're packing to go out, you tend to not bring stuff. So I literally am just going to use my foundation as color corrector. I keep forgetting to press record on this audio, but I know the audio is going to be trash. I've not filmed in a while. Like, there's so many moving parts to filming, sometimes you actually forget. Anyways, as I was saying, shout out to God, shout out to my parents, shout out to my friends. Thank you so much for being there for me thus far. This is another year where we'll celebrate, where we'll elevate, where we'll become extremely better versions of ourselves. You know, it's crazy how far. It's crazy how far I've come. Because it's been a couple of years prior were rough, and I just say it lightly, but now me know it in my eyes see. So I'm thankful to God that, you know, there's been some growth and some elevation. Completed internship, learned a whole lot. You know, practical is a lot, very much different from theory. So that was interesting. Became more confident as a practicing physician. Take this off so that I can properly blend my forehead, because I don't want to have no demarcation. My hairstylist, when she did my hair, it was fine. Oh, now me, I don't understand. But me, I've gone and done. Life has been lifing. But with that, like, I'm just thankful. I'm just thankful. That's it. Coming from a place of thanks. So thank you, whoever you are. Thank you to everyone who, like I said, has been such a great impact to me. And I'm having dinner later this evening. Thank you to everyone who is going to show up. No, thank you, and thank you. Guys, I'm done with my makeup. Now we're going to go on to the hair. I actually am doing good time, but the sun is going down, and now I'm feeling like I should have brought my studio lights, because I don't know how I want to take pictures, and it's getting dark, and the lighting in here is like very sexy kind of, so it's not really bright. So I'm going to quickly curl my hair and then we'll change. This is literally my worst part of doing hair. Curling it, like, oh my god. I literally dread this part so much. Like, I don't even have the energy nor the time sometimes. I should have probably put it in rollers, you know. That would have been smart. I literally don't have energy. or time I want to start dressing up. I'm not even still sure what I want to wear. I have to tape my boobs up. It was already curled yesterday, but it dropped, so I'm just reinforcing it a bit. So at the end they're not so bland. That's it. I'm done. I can't. So guys, this is option number 1. This white number with feathers at the bottom. I really liked this one, but when I wore it, this part just looks so cheaply made. This is option number 2. A red number with a plunging V neckline. I feel like I might use this to take pictures. And this is option number 3, which my mom actually preferred. It's very nice and like really nicely made. So, but I'm thinking the red is going to look really nice in this photo shoot. I might also try the white, but time is running out of me, so I'm like, oh. And I'm going to be taking a gamble with some book tape. So this is the option that I had wanted, and let me show you the shoes. These are the shoes I will be wearing with this dress. Let's put them on real quickly. So this is the dress and the shoes. I don't think you could see me all the way from there, but this is the dress and these are the shoes. This is the bag that I bought to go with it. This is what I'm wearing for jewelry. Just this regular silver thing. I should have bought more silver jewelry, but I was like, nah. And now I need silver jewelry. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for tuning in with me. I will see you in another video. Till next time guys, much love. Bye.